Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I'm going to show you how I built this really cute camp cabin. I started by taking some jumbo popsicle sticks and cutting the ends off. Then I took a piece of foam board about 11 inches long and glued the jumbo popsicle sticks around it. Then I took some of the really big popsicle sticks with their ends cut off and glued one on each corner to make the legs for the bunk bed. Then I made another platform for the bottom bunk and glued them together. Next, I used some coffee stirrers to make the ladder. I used some wood grain scrapbook paper and covered the walls and the floor. Then I took another piece of foam board that would fit inside each of the bunk and covered it in a material to make a mattress. Then to make it look like each bed had a sheet on it, I took some floral material and covered it again with that. Then I decided I needed a window in the back wall, so I cut it out and then framed it out with poster board covered in the wood grain scrapbook paper. Next, I got to work on making pillows for each bed in the same material as the sheets. I took one side of the pillowcase and hemmed it, which will be the open side, and then I sewed the other two sides shut. Then I sewed a comforter for each bed. I added some screen on the back of the window. Next, I printed out some pictures and this triangle shape and to make some wall decor. And then I brought in a few accessories. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.